Mastering the interrogative adverb, when. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our series on adverbs. Today, we're going to focus on one of the essential interrogative adverbs, when. This small word is mighty, as it helps us ask questions about time. So let's get started and see how we can use when to ask interesting and relevant questions. The word when is an interrogative adverb used to ask about time. It is used at the start of a question to inquire about the time something happens or happened. The structure of a question with when is when plus verb, do, did, will, plus subject plus main verb. Here are some examples. When do you usually have breakfast? When did they arrive at the party? When will the meeting start? When can also be used in a sentence where the question forms part of the sentence itself, rather than the entire sentence being a question. This is a more advanced form and can be used to make your English sound more sophisticated. The structure is subject plus verb plus when plus subject plus verb. Here are a few examples. I wonder when the movie will start. She doesn't know when she will finish the project. He asked when the train would arrive. When you're answering a question that begins with when, you'll typically need to give a time-related response. It could be a specific time, a day, a month, a year, or a more vague time like soon, later, yesterday, in the future, etc. Here are some example responses to our earlier questions. When do you usually have breakfast? I usually have breakfast at 7:30 a.m. When did they arrive at the party? They arrived at the party yesterday evening. When will the meeting start? The meeting will start in 15 minutes. And that's a wrap for today's lesson. I hope now you feel more confident using the interrogative adverb, when, in your daily English. Remember, practice is key to mastering any language. So, try to form your own questions using when and answer them. Stay tuned for more exciting grammar lessons. Happy learning!